Hello guys. I and wow, I was
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done.
Okay, so it's my 34th time trying to record this video. I look really pale. I don't like it. It's getting on my nerves, but as you can see, I've gotten a whole lot darker over the summer. This is the effect. I'm upset, but we're gonna move on from that. Anyways, so I saw this Nikkie tutorial video. I don't know why my eyes are red. Okay, whatever. I saw this Nikkie tutorial video, and I think that we can do it. So we can do it, and we're going to. There we go. I couldn't find it, but I found it. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this temper shade and just throw it on here. Okay, so in her video, she had a really bright orange and it faded to like a coral color, and then it faded into like this really nice pink. Then she did a cut crease and other stuff. So we're gonna go back with Creamsicle, the shade that does not want to work for me, and we're gonna mix it, and we're gonna take another one and we're gonna make it work. And I'm going to just take this and I'm going to pat it on there, and I'm going to do stipple motions, just move it around a little bit.
Okay, pick up some more really built this color.
Also take a little bit of Real Guard and I'm going to use it to tap it. Remember that you have to pack on and then do little circling motions. And now I'm gonna take Love Letter, this one, and I'm gonna put it more on the outer, and then I'm gonna take another color and blend it in. Okay, so I only have like a really bright pink. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep blending these colors out, but I'm going to mix it with this purple color and make it more pink. Yeah. So now I'm going to take, I'm going to use a little bit more of this Creamsicle, and I'll mix it with a pink, because I have a pink. Just kidding, no I don't. Now I have to go in and cut the crease. So now I would do a white, but I think I'm going to take a color that's shimmery. Wait. Yep. So I'm gonna take, nope, just kidding. I'm gonna take this color because I think that it would be a nice balance from the colors. Now, so the colors can blend because it's a little weird right here. I'm going to take Creamsicle and I'm going to put it in the inside. My crease is weird because I have weird eyeballs, so I'm just gonna go in with a little brush and I'm gonna overlit it. Whatever, make it bigger. Now, originally, she had a tanner color right here, and then she did like a little glitter line. But I have a shimmer color, and glitter would be too much, so I'm not gonna do that. This orange is kind of fading, so I'm gonna add in some more orange because it's, yeah. Brush, and I'm going to just line that with orange. And I'm not going to take Crimticle, I'm going to take this orange color. Once again, I keep losing color, so I'm going to have to bring color in more. With this, you just gotta play around with it until you like it. I don't necessarily like it, but I'm gonna take this shimmery color and put it in for more. And I'm gonna do something crazy. Probably won't like it, but I could at least try. I'm gonna take this blue color and I'm gonna add it in the inner corner. I don't know why, I just want to. Put it in the inner corner and kind of like carve out the cut crease starting from the inner part. So I think I'm gonna like barely overline it with blue. To the point where like you can't really see it, but you can tell that some color is there. I think I'm gonna go in with this color and do it under my eye. So I'm gonna do something crazy and add blue on this heart too. Just because it needs colors. So now I'm gonna go in and add a liner. I don't necessarily like this, but who knows? I may like it later.
Ugly.
Maybe. Okay. Dang, it's big or something. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, thanks. I am going to do the other eye, put on eyelashes, come back, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I am back. Eyelashes are on. Highlighter is on. It is finally complete. I don't know if I like this or not, but yes.
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you